I'm working in Dreamweaver CS4 and I'm going to fix an unordered list. When I look at this page in Dreamweaver, it looks like I have one bulleted list. But essentially what I have are three bulleted lists. I have one here, and one down here. Instead of one list with three bullets, I have three separate bulleted lists. How do I know that? Well, when I click in one of the bullets and I come down to the status bar and click Unordered List, it selects simply that bullet. Click in the next one, Unordered List, simply that bullet. And if I switch over to Code View, I can see that I have an unordered list beginning here, ending here, another one beginning here, ending here, and another one beginning here and ending here. Now I can fix this unordered list so it's one list of three bullets, either here in Code View or I can fix it in Design View. I'm going to fix it in Design View, and then we'll come back to Code View to see what's happened. So I'll switch back to Design View, and I'm just going to select this list, and you can see the blank paragraph markers in between it. And I'm going to remove the unordered list. Now that I see those blank paragraph markers, I'm going to delete them. And I'm going to grab my list again. And I'm going to set it up as bullets. Now to make it look better, I'm going to come after the final letter of the first two bullets and I'm going to add two line breaks. And I can add the line breaks by pressing down and holding the Shift key as I press Enter, or I can come up onto my Text tab and to the line break character. So I can insert it either way. So if I go 1, 2 here, and I'm going to come in here, and you can see my cursor is actually blinking over here. I'm going to put it in front of that picture. I'm going to have to move the picture back. And this time I'll do Shift Enter, Shift Enter, and I'm going to grab the picture and put it back. And let's go and take a look at this in Code View. And now I have, let's see, an unordered list starting here and ending here. Let's go back to Design View. I'm going to click in one of my bullets. I'm going to come down and I'm going to click Unordered List. And you see now I have one unordered list with three bullets. That is the end of this segment.